Enterprise finance teams manage critical business data, but manually analyzing revenue, pipeline activity, and quarterly trends can take hours. With Cequence AI Gateway, enterprise data can be securely connected to AI through MCP-powered workflows. In this example, a finance analyst prepares a quarterly business update with data stored in Excel and SharePoint, using AI to generate insights and dashboards automatically. We begin inside Cequence AI Gateway by creating a new MCP server for Microsoft Excel. The workflow securely connects Excel and SharePoint so enterprise finance data can be accessed through governed AI interactions. We configure the Excel connector, enable SharePoint access, and complete the MCP setup directly inside the AI Gateway. Once configured, the MCP server securely exposes approved enterprise finance data to AI assistants like Claude, without requiring custom integrations or manual workflows. Next, the MCP server is connected to Claude. The analyst can now interact with Excel and SharePoint data using natural language prompts. Claude locates the enterprise finance dataset stored in SharePoint and reviews the available business data. Now the analyst asks Claude to analyze the finance dataset and generate a complete business dashboard. Claude reviews the connected Excel data and creates visual insights for revenue performance, pipeline analysis, key opportunities, and quarterly trends. Instead of manually building reports and spreadsheets, the finance analyst receives actionable business insights in minutes through a secure MCP-powered workflow.